on a deer, drinking beer, wasting bullets. The only deer I've seen's been John Deere green. That don't mean that I got a raw deal, 'cause ain't no boss calling me hoss, ticking me off on the edge of this cornfield. On my second box of Winchester 100 grains, ain't seen a big buck, but it's been a